In the same way that a car runs on fuel, our body needs the right foods to function at peak performance. How our body performs depends on the quality of the food we eat. The right foods can turbocharge your body and help in its maintenance. These foods provide you with what you need to prevent regular wear and tear associated with as much tread as you put in your tires. To keep your body operating on all cylinders, you need to consume more foods that are natural healers. Most of the foods that have healing qualities also work preventively. In fact, they work best this way and are most effective when eaten as whole foods. You have probably heard about these superfoods. If you haven't started making them a part of your diet, it's about time you did. So in today's video, let's discuss the 9 whole foods that cure diseases. Welcome to our channel, Unhealthy to Healing. Our videos provide information on healthier foods and beverages, natural supplements, solutions, techniques and treatments to help and improve various health conditions. If you find value in this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. The more subscribers we get, the better and more content we can keep creating. Also click the bell icon to be notified immediately when we release a new helpful video. Click on the subscribe button below this video. Disclaimer. All information provided on our channel Unhealthy to Healing and our videos are for educational purposes only, and should not be considered as professional advice. Our goal is to provide accurate, thorough and to-the-point content. We are not a licensed professional and encourage our viewers to seek a licensed professional and/or consult your doctor. Okay viewers, let's indulge on the 9 whole foods that cure diseases. Number 1. Beans. This magical fruit is rich in protein, fiber, folic acid, iron, magnesium and small amounts of calcium. Thus eating them can be extremely filling. They are able to keep you feeling full longer, thereby helping you to control your food intake without much effort. Eating beans also aids in weight loss and prevents obesity. A study reported that a diet rich in lean protein, about half from plant sources such as beans, was found to lower blood pressure and bad LDL cholesterol and can help reduce the risk of heart disease by 21%. Beans have a high antioxidant content and have been shown to cut the risk of certain cancers. Include beans when making salads, soups, stews, or dips. Number 2. Go nuts. Aside from being a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, nuts can also help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels. Nuts are a good source of protein, fiber, selenium, vitamin E and vitamin A. An example of a nut that has an especially high level of omega-3s is the walnut. Nuts lower the risk of hypertension and heart disease. Nuts such as pistachios, almonds and walnuts are all rich in arginine, which is an amino acid that increases blood flow to the heart. Number 3. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, raspberries and most especially blueberries, are generally known as being very rich in antioxidants. An analysis of the disease-fighting antioxidant activity of 40 fruits and vegetables showed that blueberries have twice the amount of antioxidants of spinach, apples, broccoli and many other fruits and vegetables. Berries are also believed to slow the deterioration of joints. The vitamin C content of these fruits provides protection for the joints. Vitamin C is also a major ingredient in the creation of collagen, which is an essential component of bone and cartilage. Number 4. Whole grains. Eating 3 daily servings of whole grains provides the following health benefits. It reduces the risk of stroke by 37%, heart disease by 25 to 36%, and type 2 diabetes by 21 to 27%. Whole grains include brown rice, oats, bulgur, whole wheat and bran. Number 5. Fatty fish. Numerous studies show that a diet that includes salmon reduces blood pressure, lowers cholesterol levels and helps prevent heart disease. A higher intake of omega-3s seems to preserve bone density, which strengthens the bones and provides better protection against fractures. Cold water fish like sardines, tuna and mackerel also contain omega-3s. Number 6. Dark leafy greens. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, beta-carotene, vitamin C, folate, iron, magnesium, carotenoids, phytochemicals and antioxidants. A Harvard study found that eating magnesium-rich foods such as spinach can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Include kale, bok choy, broccoli, collards and dark lettuces. Make your next salad with assorted greens, including super nutritious spinach or other dark-colored greens for a meal that fights diseases. Number 7. Tomatoes. Bursting with flavor and lycopene, this antioxidant may help protect against some cancers. Tomatoes deliver an abundance of vitamins A and C, potassium and phytochemicals. Enjoy tomatoes raw, cooked, sliced, chopped, or diced as part of any meal or snack. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. These potatoes are boosting wealth of antioxidants, phytochemicals including beta-carotene, vitamin C and E, folate, calcium, copper, iron and potassium. The fiber in sweet potatoes promotes a healthy digestive tract, and the antioxidants play a role in preventing heart disease and cancer. Number 9. Dairy. Dairy is best food source of dietary calcium but also has plenty of protein, vitamins, including vitamin D, and minerals which are key to fighting the disease osteoporosis. Beyond strong bones, dairy may also help you lose weight. Having 3 daily servings of dairy may help decrease belly fat and enhance weight loss. Low-fat dairy foods make excellent snacks because they contain both carbohydrates and protein. Enjoy a smoothie with low-fat milk or yogurt. Drink orange juice and a handful of berries for an energizing meal substitute or anytime snack. Simple, healthy, affordable and rich in value are the essence of these 9 whole foods. No supplements, capsules, health powders or wide array of processed foods can replace the nutritional value of these 9 organic whole foods, which can enrich our lives. And viewers, that concludes our video today on the 9 whole foods that cure diseases. Out of these 9 foods, how many would you say you consume daily from number 1 to 9? Please type unhealthy to healing in the comments section and let us know how many of these food groups does you consume on a daily basis. All 9, none or some of them? We would like to hear from you. And until next time, increase your whole food intake and be safe, happy and healthier. We will see you at our next video.